Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jongpi
Ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala Pdiangnya ke rai bala shim de ke Sorkar India ban penduna no kendiat hakabayade bat kajing pentrikam ya ke ain Armed Force Special Powers Act ne Afspa ha kejelna Assam Nagaland bat Manipur ha kajing keren bat kilat pathai khubor menteri rangba jong kejelna Konrad Sangma ulaong ba kani kajing shimra jong menteri rangba do keri India Narendra Modi baru menteri ketenat ki kampo ying Amit Shah kan pensting kendian ya kajing mejing perkat jong kipat ba nong song snong kibala syakta na kajing penjari jong ke Sorkar Pdeng ya kani kaan bala aibor kerpang haki sipai ban kendra le no ha kini ki lai teli ki jilla jong ka than setai lam mi keri India.
We welcome the move and the step that has been given by or taken by the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Home Minister. This is a very welcome step. This has been a very long pending issue for the people of the Northeast region as a whole, and this will surely, lead to a very positive message for the people of the region. And this is another reflection about the concerns that the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Home Minister have for the people of Northeast. And we have been always stressing that the Armed Forces Special Power Act is an act that has gone beyond its time, and it's something that has not been really achieving the objectives that it was meant to. And given the current situation and circumstances in the region, this act should be repealed completely. But this is a welcome step. The areas have been reduced. I'm sure that with this step, it's another confidence building among the people. And I would once again like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Home Minister for deciding to reduce the overall impact of Afspa in a large number of areas in Assam, Manipur and Nagaland.